Where are you going to play, Andre?
Play-Doh and Toy Story.
That's the name of this game, Play-Doh.
Woody.
Okay, we have to open now.
That's Woody, the person, but the robot is
Called
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Okay, open now. Excited. Alright. Look at that, mommy. Look at that, mommy. Up, sit down. Sit down. It's so dangerous.
Woody.
Mommy, look at that, mommy.
That's a Buzz Lightyear.
You sit down.
You can put somewhere.
Okay, you sit down.
You can put somewhere, Daddy.
What do you put this one there?
Here.
Ah, okay. So just
What
wait.
do you put in there, Andre?
This.
Oh, just wait.
What's
Just wait
that?
there.
You can
Maybe you can put something.
Ah, the Play-Doh.
The Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Okay, sit down. Sit down, buddy.
What is that? That's a dinosaur scissor.
Look at that, mommy.
No, that's
Look at that, mommy. Dinosaur.
No, that's mine.
Okay, it's you to mommy.
He's a dinosaur.
Right. And what is this?
This is Woody.
Open this one.
So you can open Woody too?
Woody.
Show to mommy.
Woody.
Ah, that's
Wow.
wood. Ah, so that's like a
Look.
No, just.
molder for the Play-Doh.
Look.
Wow.
Hey guys, look at that. How
Wow.
this one?
What
You
is
sit
that?
down.
It's a sword.
Alright, so open this one too. Open. What's mommy? How to open it? What inside this one, mommy?
This is a Play-Doh.
What is this, mommy?
It's a Play-Doh. I don't want to show
It's
the
a
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. What's the color of the Play-Doh?
It's red.
You sit down
What's
and
the
put
color?
it just
Tell me the
way.
color of the
Oh,
Play-Doh.
this is the color of the Play-Doh. What's the color?
What's the color of the lid?
Oh, use that, mommy. It's open now, mommy. Put it
And
there. So, alright. So what is this, mommy?
That's a Buzz.
What is under this? Is Toy Story.
What
Oh.
color is that? Show me. What color is that?
I can open this.
Sit down here. I don't let daddy open it.
What color is that, Andre? Tell me.
Wow.
That's right.
Oh, put it there. No, that's too many.
That's too big for that molder, Andre.
Okay.
You're so excited.
Just, I think you have to sit down. Alright, so what is that?
It's a Play-Doh.
Okay, I'll do it.
Like that. I don't.
If you do it that one, I'll do it to him. This one, mommy. Can you do it, mommy?
What color is that, Daddy?
What is color is this?
How do I push this?
I think that's...
Oh, like
Show me, Andre, what happened?
this is like
Look.
Show me.
look at this, mommy. Mommy,
What's the...
this
I
like
can't- I
it's
can't see
nice
it,
to eat this
Andre.
one, mommy.
Look at the make.
See, look. Can't see it properly.
Here.
Let me see.
Look at that, mommy.
Let me see.
No, at the back.
Ah,
Okay, I'll do it properly.
I make this.
Okay. Alright, you do it this one, mommy. No, you make something. You make something.
Come on.
Oh, you don't need to open that one, I think.
This is
what are you making, Daddy?
I'm making Play-Doh. This is Play-Doh, mommy.
Ah,
mine.
that's...
Look at that. Look at
Who's that, Andre? Andre?
Look
who
at
is
that.
Who's Woody?
Ah, Woody.
Look at that. Who's this?
Woody.
Woody?
That's Woody.
Look
Look
at
at the
that.
picture.
Look at
That's
the picture.
Woody there, oh.
I wanna make two.
You have to sit down.
Oh,
Ah, make a sword, Daddy. Make a sword here,
Okay, I'll
Daddy.
make a sword. I'll make a sword. I'll make a sword. I'll make a sword.
how you open this?
Ah, like this.
That's huge.
Ah, I don't know what is that. I thought the one is
But you can put something.
What's something?
You sit down. You sit down.
Daddy, can you open this?
No, we don't need to open the one. We just use this one.
Show me, Daddy. You finished, Daddy?
Okay, I will show it to you, mommy. Andre, I give it to mommy. Look at that. Look at Andre. Dun, dun.
Dun,
This.
dun, 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 dun. What is that?
Wow, look at that.
Oh,
You
that's
can
the
put
sword.
something. You can.
Okay.
You can put.
What is mommy? Look at that picture, mommy. See?
That's Woody and the sword.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Who's the other one?
Okay, we will make.
Who's that one, Daddy? The purple.
That's, I don't know. This is called.
Who's
What
the purple, Andre?
Hmm.
Oh, is that the one?
is this one?
That's a sword?
This is, I don't know, maybe this part of the Toy Story. So I'll make another color, mommy.
You make the Buzz Lightyear, Andre.
You
Let
go
me see,
there,
let me
Andre.
Let me see. Let me see. Put it on the table like this.
What is that? What are you making, Andre? Oh, put it here. Andre. Put it here on the table and let mommy to do it. Like that. Like that. Oh,
Who's that?
Yeah, that's McQueen.
McQueen? I make another.
Daddy, can you open this? Can you, Daddy, can you open this? Can you open this for me?
Hmm?
Open.
Okay, just wait. I open that for you. Just wait. I'm making wood. What we call this, mommy?
Woody.
What was the name of this, Andre? Sorry.
It's Woody.
This Woody. This is Woody.
Hi, Woody.
Hello, Woody.
How are you, Woody?
Woody. Daddy, can you open?
I'm making Woody. Look at that. Look at mommy. Woody, mommy.
Woody
Oh.
brown and Woody orange.
Wow. Look at that.
Can you open this?
Hmm.
Daddy, can you open for me?
It's close. It's open now. It's open now. Open now.
Can you open this,
Please.
please?
You sit down.
I'll say
What are you making?
this one.
What is that?
Agree. Oh, no way, that's fine.
Okay, I'll make this
No,
one.
no, no, no.
Oh, make this one a sword. Sword. Make a sword in the one.
Oh, I
Look at mommy. Look at what I'm doing, mommy.
What is that?
This is.
look. Guys, look. Watch.
Oh, what are you doing? It's a sword. Oh, look
Let
at
me
that,
see,
mommy.
let me
Look at
see.
that, mommy. Oh. What is that? How many?
Tiny creature.
This one. How is
Hey,
that?
guys,
It's a
hey.
sword.
Look.
No, that's not a sword.
This one is a sword.
That's a shield.
Oh, there's a
Hey.
shield. Okay, I'll make here.
The sword is... Where's the sword? I thought you were making the sword, Andre.
Alright, what is this, Andre? Mm-hmm. Sit down.
And what is this?
It's like, it's a lizard.
No. What are you making, Andre?
What are you making? You sit down and show to mommy. Show to mommy, Andre.
Let me see what you're doing.
What are you doing? What is that?
Look.
Oh, that's a feast.
Come on, sit down, and then show to mommy how to do it. Like a noodle.
A doodle.
Noodle. This is good, mommy. This is a good mommy. Look at that, mommy. Show it to you.
Let us show
What?
you.
Look, mommy.
Oh,
Look at that.
no.
Look at that, mommy.
It's a noodle.
Wow.
It's a noodle.
It's like a noodle. What is that, mommy? Look at that. Look at that, mommy.
That's different colors.
Look at Andre. Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Alright. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.